Hello! In this video, we will be creating a tile set. We will then use that tile set to create our first level. Let's create a new 2D scene called Level 1. Save it in Scenes and Levels. Let's create a new TileMap scene. Rename the scene Blocks. Save it in your Scenes folder in the Tilesets folder. Next, in the Tileset field, click in it and create a new tileset. Click in that field once more to open the Tileset editor. In the inspector, verify that tile size is set at 16 for X and Y. Now we must add a texture to our tileset. In your Sprites folder that is within your Assets folder, drag the file named block into the texture area. You will be prompted with a question to automatically create tiles in the atlas. Select yes. There will be 3 tabs open in the Tileset editor. Click on the Select tab, then click on our tile. In the inspector, under Physics Layers, click the Add Element button. You should now see an option in your Select tab in the Tileset editor appear. Under Physics Layer 0, click on the 3 dots and select Reset to Default Tile Shape. The block should now change colors into a light blue, which signifies that this tile now has a collision shape attached to it. We need to address the rendering of our 2D sprites. Go to Project, Project Settings, Rendering, and under Canvas Textures, Default Texture Filter, set to Nearest. Now we will instance our Blocks TileMap scene into our Level 1 scene. Click on the chain icon to the left of the plus button under the Scene tab. Select the Blocks scene, and voila! The Blocks scene is now a child of our Level 1 scene. Click on our block under Base Tiles and then select the pencil icon. We can now draw in our Level 1 scene. Let's create some walls and a floor. One last thing we need to do is adjust the transform of our tile map to fit in our viewport. If we take a closer look, we can see a gap in between our blocks and the end of the viewport. When we run the scene, it is a lot more obvious, so we're going to center it. To do that, we must open the block scene and make the change there, because we want the change to apply to every instance of our blocks scene. In our blocks scene, in the inspector and under transform, set the X value to 2 and save the scene. When we open up our Level 1 scene again, we will see that this change has already been applied. Run the scene again, and now you can see that our blocks are now centered. That's it for our first level. In the following video, we will create the ball scene. Till next time.